Changing oil after 194.5 hours. Engine is 3-cylinder diesel Kubota D722. The biggest problem is to remove the back panel. It is not easy. I used the crowbar to get the panel out. A very good idea to jack up the canopy. Loose the left side panel bolts, if you have to remove it. Remove the top bolts. Use 13mm and 15mm spanners. Rust inspection and removal. Standard oil changing procedure. Some problem to remove a very small oil filter. To protect the filter you can use the masking tape. Manual recommends to change the oil at every 100 hours interval.